Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you could join me today. I have some project shares, and my project shares are for Two Crafters, One Design. This week, their prompt is anything with a heart. I'm also going to submit this to Saturday Morning Makes, which is an open collab hosted by Jill Norwood. So I'm going to put all their information in the description box. Two Crafters, One Design is hosted by Melissa from Mo Creations. You See Why I'm a Diva, and that's Lisa. And Girliest Cards by Gloria. And Gloria is the host there. So let me get started. So I had this impresslit file, this impresslit die that I had for a while. And it cuts and embossed, and one step really nice. And the thing about this heart is that it's puffy. And I was like, oh wow, I hadn't cut this out before, it's puffy. So look what I did. So this is my first card. And it's nice. Look how puffy that heart is. So I used some heart paper and a card background, a few jimmies, a bow. See how it sits up there? It's nice and puffy. And I put the word adore on. I put adore on here, and I'll write inside. They're empty inside because I got to still write it and send it out. Adore, to regard with the utmost esteem, love, and respect. You couldn't get any better than this for a card for this season. The next one I made is I wanted to play with that puffy heart again. And so this time I made the heart black. Just because the hearts are black doesn't mean that you still don't adore. So just kind of get in the habit of looking at things differently. This is just beautiful, and it's a sweetheart. And so I like it too. Look how nice and puffy they come out. The next one is sweet. This one says, I heart you, I love you. And it has a little bear and some flowers and some leaves. Little bear is with this little heart, and he has this little yellow outfit on. He's in a flower of daisies, and he's in a field of daisies. I'm talking about a flower of daisies. See how the mind goes? A field of daisies. So these are my cards for the week. I hope you like them. I hope you adore them like I do, and I'll be making some envelopes so I can send them out because they're a little bit puffy. So thank you for joining me today. Thank you for stopping by my channel. If you like my cards, give me a thumbs up. Also comment in the comment section if you have this one and you haven't used it. Also, the 4-leaf clover comes out really nice, and we're getting ready for that time in March. So think about getting this one out. This one is what's so cool to use. Thank you, Tim Holtz. So here we are. Thank you very much. I will see you all in the next video. Remember, self-care is not selfish. Be the reason somebody smiles. And don't forget, press that subscribe button, because I love to have you as a subscriber here. Let me know any comments that you have or anything you want to comment about my channel. And I'll talk to you all later. Bye now.